Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Certified YouTuber. In this video, we are going to drop Realme 7 from the one cam height from the ground. So let's get started. So before we drop this phone, let's unbox this phone. Here you can see guys, box of this Realme 7 Pro. So wow guys, the phone is really looking good in the hands. The 60 Hz AMOLED display is really good for this price point, and the cameras are also good. The Sony IMX682 sensor is really good. It's a new sensor, and so let's go to our drop location and drop this phone. So guys, we come to our drop location. In just few moments we are going to drop this phone from one cam height. So let's go. So let's hang this phone to our drone and fly to the one cam height. So the drone is reached at one cam height. So are you ready guys? Let's start the countdown. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! So let's go to our home and clear up everything, and let's see what happens with this phone. Here you can see guys, the phone no longer serves this test. The phone takes the impact really hard that it can serve this test properly. But still I think for a phone of this price, it's really amazing to see the phone trying to survive this test. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome content, and finally peace out.